Hi, my name is Don Kim. I'm an acupuncturist based in Queenstown, New Zealand, and one of the very few Korean hand therapy teachers in the world. Many people around the world believe that Korean hand therapy is the best self-treatment method ever. Let me talk about a very simple method that makes people feel that way. It's called correspondence therapy. What is correspondence therapy? According to Korean hand therapy, the entire body is reflected or corresponds onto the hands. Every organ, joint, muscle, and body part has a precise corresponding point or area on the hands. In this way, the hands act as a microsystem of the whole body. When a body part is injured or imbalanced, its corresponding area on the hand is likely to become tender, hardened, discolored, or sensitive. For example, if you sprain your shoulder, you can take a tool like this and gently poke around the shoulder correspondence area on the hand to find the most tender spot. Once you find the spot, which is the exact corresponding point, you simply stimulate that point using appropriate tools such as hand needles and lancet pen or aluminum press pellets like this. This simple action activates the body's self-healing response. Correspondence therapy is easy to learn, safe, and simple to apply, but extremely effective for a wide range of conditions, including chronic ones. For conditions such as pain of most kinds, acute injuries like a sprained ankle, headaches, migraines, concussion, inflammation, or skin infections, you will often see an immediate response. Personally, over the decades, I have successfully treated hundreds of difficult conditions using just one or two sessions of this simple correspondence therapy. These include sprained ankles, 30-year-old sciatica, 10-year-old severe headache, tennis elbow, endometriosis, migraines, acute back pain, split lips, locked jaw, food poisoning, inflamed gums, groin pain, even plantar fasciitis, loss of smell and taste, concussion, just to name a few. Many of these conditions are not easy to improve with most treatment modalities. But with Korean hand therapy, especially with correspondence therapy, anyone, yes, anyone can easily improve these and many more conditions with just one or two, a few sessions. After experiencing the powerful effects of correspondence therapy, many wonder how this is possible. I have identified 5 key reasons, and I'd like to explain the first 2. The first reason is found in the brain map, which was discovered by a Canadian doctor, not a Korean hand therapy teacher. As you see here, about 85% of our brain is directly connected to the hands. This shows a very close neurological connection between the brain and the hands. When you stimulate points on the hands, it directly affects the brain and in turn the corresponding part of the body. This is why quite often we see instant results, especially with correspondence therapy. The second reason is that in many cases, the best place to treat a problem is where the problem actually is. For example, if someone has a sty in the eye, the best place to treat it is where a sty is. But with other modalities like acupuncture, we cannot treat that area directly. With Korean hand therapy, however, we can easily find the corresponding point for eyes on the hands. For example, like this, and stimulate them using simple tools. Believe it or not, in many cases, a single session of correspondence therapy can resolve the problem. This applies to hundreds of symptoms and conditions, including some I mentioned earlier. Yes, anyone can easily, safely, naturally, and effectively improve countless conditions, muscular or not, using this real beauty of Korean hand therapy called correspondence therapy. And how long does it take to learn it? Just a few hours of training is long enough for anyone to start using it effectively. If you have any questions or would like to learn correspondence therapy, please feel free to contact me at oawcentre, CENTRE, at gmail.com. oawcentre at gmail.com or phone number 64 national code followed by 276982136 6427698236. Thank you for watching.